Hello students, welcome to the another lecture. In this lecture we are doing exercise 3.1 question 9 for class 7th data handling. So let's solve the question. First of all, we read the question. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follows. These are the data of the height of 10 girls in centimeter. So what in first part, what is the height of the tallest girl? So first of all we should arrange the data in ascending order to avoid the mistake. So let's do it. Lowest is 132, 132, 128, 132, then 135, then 139, 128, 135, 139. After 139 there is 141, then 143, then 145, then 149, then 150, and then 151. So these are the rearrangement of the data in ascending order. So now we will do the first part. What is the height of the tallest girl? Height of the tallest girl is, we can see, tallest girl's height is equals to 151 centimeter. In second part, what is the height of the shortest girl? So it can see easily after the arrangement. Shortest girl's height is equals to, it is 128 centimeter. Let's do the third part. It was the second one. Third part is, what is the range of the data? So range is basically the difference between the range is equals to the difference between the highest and tallest girl's height minus the shortest girl's height. So the tallest girl's height is 141 and shortest one's height is 128. So we will have to find their difference will be 33 is equals to 33 centimeter. Third part is completed. Let's see the fourth part. What is fourth one? Fourth part is, what is the mean height of the girls? So height is also very simple. Yeah, I did mistake in subtraction here. It will be 23. So mean height is equals to the height of all girls, sum of the height of all girls divided by the number of girls. So height is 128, 132, 128, 132, 135, 139, 141, 143, 139, 141, 143, 145, 149, 145, 149, and 150 and 151. Divide by the total number of girls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 girls are there in total. So let's add. I will do it roughly. Height is 1414 divided by 10. So the average height is 141.4 centimeter. This is the mean height or average height of the girl. Let's do the last and fifth part of the question, which is, how many girls have height more than the mean height? So the mean height is equals to 141.4 centimeter. So this, let's see, 141.4. So these are the numbers girl having more than the mean height. So 141 to 151, 143 to 151, 143, 143, 140, 140, that is 146. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर भी हमने गलत लिखा है 146 प्लस सॉरी कॉमा विल कम हेयर देन आफ्टर 146 149 150 and 151 149 150 and 151. So these are the heights. So in total 5 girls height are more than mean height. So as this part is done, as in starting I have arranged the data in ascending order, which helps me to do the all other parts of the hair. It was easy, very easy to write the heights, which girl's height whose height is more than mean height. So the rearrangement of data in ascending order or descending order is very important. So with it, question is completed and exercise is also completed. Let's start the next exercise in next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.